Fresh or frozen, have you ever wondered which is the healthier choice? Today, we're breaking it all down, from nutrition to convenience and cost, so you know exactly what to choose for your next meal. Before I begin, click that subscribe button down there really fast. It'll help both of us out. You won't miss any videos and it'll help the channel grow. Okay, now that you clicked subscribe, let's talk about nutritional content when it comes to fresh versus frozen. Fresh fruits and vegetables are often harvested at peak ripeness, meaning they can be packed with flavor and nutrients. But here's the thing about fresh: those nutrients start to degrade when produce is exposed to light, heat, and air. The longer it sits on the shelf, the fewer nutrients it retains. Let's talk about frozen. Frozen fruits and veggies are picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen soon after harvest. This process locks in nutrients better than fresh produce that might sit around for days or even weeks. In fact, studies show that frozen produce can retain more vitamins, especially vitamin C and antioxidants, than fresh produce stored over time. Convenience and shelf life. Let's talk about fresh produce. The downside to fresh produce? It spoils quickly. You need to eat it soon after buying, which can lead to food waste if you don't get to it in time. Frozen produce has a much longer shelf life. You can store it for months without worrying about spoilage. It's also pre-washed and pre-cut, making meal prep faster and easier. Let's talk about cost. Fresh produce can be more expensive, especially when it's out of season. Shipping fresh fruits and veggies from far-off places adds to the price. Plus, fresh fruits and veggies spoil fast, so there's a chance some may become too rotten to eat, also increasing the cost. On the other hand, frozen produce is often more affordable and available year-round, making it a budget-friendly option. Plus, since it lasts longer, there's less waste, which saves you money in the long run. Frozen fruit can last up to 8-12 months in the freezer without going bad, provided it's stored properly. However, the quality and flavor may gradually decline over time. It's best to eat frozen within 3 months. Actually, there are some fruits and vegetables that are healthier frozen. Here are a few examples. Frozen berries retain more antioxidants than fresh ones that sit for days. Frozen bananas lock in their potassium and fiber, perfect for smoothies. Spinach and kale blanched before freezing. These leafy greens hold on to vitamins A, C, and K. Peas and broccoli. These are flash frozen right after harvest, keeping their vitamin C and sweetness intact. So which one is better, fresh or frozen? The answer? Both have their place. Fresh produce is fantastic when it's in season and readily available, but frozen options are often just as nutritious and offer convenience and cost savings. The key to a healthy lifestyle is variety, so don't be afraid to mix both fresh and frozen produce into your meals. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the benefits of frozen versus fresh. Until next time, stay well.